Hey, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for a while, I'm Laura and I am so excited that you're here today. I'm showcasing quick no-cook lunch ideas so you know what to put inside of the container, the tricks to packing lunches in just 5 minutes, that they'll also stay fresh until lunchtime. The best part of a bento style lunch is that you can mix and match ingredients from different food groups without having to cook anything. Here are the main elements that go into a bento. Protein. Protein is an essential macronutrient that's also gonna help keep kids full. Some options are hard-boiled eggs, rolled up deli meat, or leftover chicken, for example. Now, this can stand alone or be an ingredient inside of a sandwich or a wrap. Carbohydrates. These are an essential source of energy, fiber, and they help fill up hungry bellies and keep kids going for the entire day and after school activities. This can be a whole grain bread to make a sandwich with protein, crackers on the side, or even leftover pasta. Now, fruit. Fruit is rich in vitamins and fiber and it's perfect for a child's lunch. You'll want to wash, peel, and prep a serving of fruit, apples, berries, grapes, or orange slices. These are always winners. Now, fruit can be fresh, frozen, or canned. Veggies. Veggies add fiber, vitamins, and minerals into any lunch. You'll want to wash, prep, and peel a serving of veggies, and bite-sized veggies like baby carrots, sliced bell peppers, cucumber slices, or even sugar snap peas are always great for dipping. Now, speaking of dips, these are great to ensure that the veggies are eaten, and they're always a great addition to school bentos. If packing lunches is a struggle, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder for you in the description box that's gonna help you build quick and healthy lunches by mix and matching the ingredients that you already have on hand into a balanced lunch. Treats are always a win for young and big kids alike. This can be as simple as a no-bake bite, chocolate chips, or a cookie. Now, below this video, I'm gonna leave a link to my favorite treat cookbook, the Clean Treats Cookbook, for you. Now, the easiest way to build a balanced bento lunch is to include a serving of each of the food groups, more or less. These can all go in the same container or in multiple containers. Don't leave yet, there's one more bento lunch idea for you that's also a breeze to pack. See you next time.